Every video I talk a lot about JavaScript, but how is the internet usable with the JavaScript turned off? Hi, let's talk today about Jest, ES6 guides and a day without JavaScript. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. In Unified Styling Language, Mark Dalgleish exposes the problems appearing when using CSS and what tools JavaScript possesses to resolve them. Here you can find a list of CSS-in-JS libraries. We place HTML in JavaScript, so why don't we do the same with CSS? In case you can't make a choice between Redux and MobX, Wanyoike will save you. He prepared an article, Redux versus MobX, which is better for your project, just for you. This is an opinionated comparison after which you might want to migrate to MobX. Find this post on SitePoint. David Gilbertson muses on performance in his paper upgrading from Node 6 to Node 8, a real-world performance comparison. They say Node 8 is faster than a previous version, but the question is how much faster does it run? Without any numbers, faster is just letters. The author proposed several metrics and graphs with numbers. Patrick Hunt published it Into the Great Unknown, migrating from Mocha to Jest, on eBay Tech blog. He made up a tale of adventure in moving from the Mocha test framework to Facebook's Jest. Introduction to commonly used ES6 features by Zell Liev is a detailed story about the features of the most popular ECMAScript version 6. If you're not yet using ES6 on a frequent basis, this is a thorough introduction to 7 of the most useful concepts. The Modern JavaScript tutorial is a comprehensive guide to JavaScript as a programming language with simple but detailed explanations. There are also additional series of thematic articles. I recommend this material for everyone who wants to dive deeper into JavaScript. Learning CSS Grids by Varun Vachar is another grid CSS tutorial. It consists of several parts with comprehensive and in-depth briefing. The author took a product listing page, employed responsive design and styled it using grids. Locally scoped CSS variables What, How and Why by Yuna Kravitz describes how to use them to create a clean and modular design. CSS custom properties are widely supported in browsers today, but they're still confusing and unfamiliar for the majority of developers. I believe such articles are extremely necessary. Charlie Owen decided to find out what's it like living a day without JavaScript in 2017. A bit of motivational and humorous text, Golos humor detected, encourages you to use JavaScript less. I highly recommend you this article if you're experiencing JavaScript fatigue. Yeah, let's get back to our roots. The last point for today is inspirational UI design ideas for your next website project by Simon Cardington on SitePoint. Here you can find some interesting ideas of using the micro-interactions, CSS animations and visual effects in order to improve your user experience. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.